Angela Guerriero, and I'm an associate professor of music education and music therapy, and I'm a director of the music therapy program here at Westchester. This project is funded by the PASHI Faculty Professional Development Grant, and the topic is disability and music therapy education, specifically in clinical training of music therapy students and the first 5 years out of internship in their jobs. We often teach students how to accommodate for their clients and their patients, and we teach them about disabilities. But an increasing number of my college students enter the university and they have disabilities and they have accommodations. And there's just a lot of confusion around how those accommodations might transfer over to clinical training and to internship. Yeah, the specific research grant, what we applied for was faculty-student partnered research. So I'm working with a student, and she has been absolutely wonderful. She has a passion for this topic as well. So I am learning about new research techniques, and I'm working with mentors to support me with this project. But she's also learning about research and how it works. So it's really been a great partnership.
It was the first time in my education I saw something about music therapy students with disabilities, and that really spoke to me because I am a music therapy student with a disability. So I was really interested in that. We really realized that, there needs to be more work on this, so it kind of just all started rolling the ball for it. This research project involved quite a lot of work. So first we had to, after we got the grant and did that whole proposal, which was a lot of work, we had to have it approved by the IRB. After we got approval, we started making the flyers and figuring out our timeline of everything, which was pretty much what we already had in the proposal. But getting all the emails lists for the different universities and the program directors, internship supervisors, reaching out all to those, reaching out to the different schools. It was just like a whole lot of different people. And then also getting the email list of early career professionals, so music therapists within the first 5 years of practice. So we had to get all that. Then we had to email the flyer out, and we started enrolling participants. So once the informed consent was signed, we were able to send a demographic pre-survey to get an overview to make sure that they did match the research. And then we were able to start the semi-structured interviews, record those, and from there, as we were having the transcripts, we were coding different parts in Deduce of the research, and that was probably the most lengthy part of the process.
When I heard about this study, I immediately knew I wanted to sign up because I have always had some challenges from learning that people don't always get to see. Having a voice in that kind of situation really can impact people like me and future people at the Wells School of Music, and I would really love that.
With aligning with the university's initiatives, I think we are really learning about the specific barriers that students experience. And hopefully in the next phase, we'll learn more about specifically what could help these students in their internship and clinical training.
But it still came up to the same things. There was gatekeeping in the field and issues with difficulty in coursework and internship and career and the issue of accommodations. There was a lot of struggle and barrier that people experienced. But the thing is, we all kind of were on the same lines where it just needs to be more putting away the barriers, trying to be more inclusive and equity, like these basic things that we're trying to strive for in our field and in other similar fields as well.
I got to talk about what some strengths were of the program and some disadvantages, and I'm just hoping overall with my openness about it that it can benefit me and a bunch of other students in the long run.
It's wonderful to have the funding that really supports this type of research because it is new, and we know that there's a problem out there, and nobody's really systematically done this type of work before. So to have PASHI and the university support it is wonderful.